Hi everyone, so come make lunch with me. Today I'm gonna be cooking, not baking. I'm gonna be cooking soya spaghetti. Like this is I've already prepared everything I need, my onions, my pepper. So now putting the pasta in fire. The water is already boiled. You can see it in the video. Like guys, don't forget happy new month everyone. Thanks for your likes, your share, your add to favorite. I really appreciate it. So now it's our suya. Just gonna open it out and pick out all this onion. So while our spaghetti is busy cooking, like it's easy. Just picking out all these onions, all these abuki onions. Also because I already have fresh onions cleansed down. Oh, so fine. So now spaghetti is ready. Just give it a stir it, stir it, and stir it, stir. So we'll sieve it out and put in our pot so that it will dry. Then add in our oil, go into our onions, stir it. Like I like it when I stir my onions for a little time before I add in my pepper or whatever. So now go into our pepper. Just give it a mince the same thing you do to the onions. Just give it a mince. It's not that much time. Then go into our paste, tomato paste. We're not going to be using seed tomatoes today. We're going to be using paste tomatoes. Just stir it and stir it and stir it and stir it. You see, guys, it's already, I know you're perceiving the scent whenever you're washing. Like it's fine. So now our special ingredients is going in our soya. Oh, la. Give it a stir. So it's so cool, so beautiful. It's looking so delicious. Just stir it for some time. When you're done, you can just cover your pot. Just leave it to simmer. Then add your spices. I got my salt, my maggi, and curry. I love using curry together for a period of time and close your pot. Just give it a stir. So stirring the maggi and curry and salt together. Then adding my last of fish. Also add a little bit of water so that all these ingredients will go in. Then pour in our spaghetti. Just give it a stir. Like everything should come up and down. Stir it so that the ingredients will enter everywhere. So cover it and leave for a period of time. Mama, our spaghetti is almost ready. You can see it is so fine. It's so fine. So it's so delicious. So I'm gonna be dishing it in the plate. Got it. So I love breaking my pasta twice. Just crack. So I like it when it's long. So beautiful, delicious. Oh my gosh, try that. It's so tasty. Not much ingredients. So beautiful. So thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.